Lakhs of people are buying products in online stores, clothes, gadgets, accessories. But have you ever thought who is actually making money from all these purchases? It's not always big companies. Even people making money online with help of the system without owning a shop and staff, just using a simple mobile and internet access. The system is called e-commerce. Most people think e-commerce means buying and selling products online. The real truth is people try it randomly. Just they create a website, upload products on pages and eventually expect sales. But nothing happens because they don't understand the real depth of e-commerce system and how this system actually works. Here we break down what is e-commerce. E-commerce is a simple system. You take a product, show it to the right target people and convert that into money. That's it. But here the difference between the success and failure is how well you do these steps in the process. Let's take a simple example. You see a cool hoodie on Instagram, you click the link, go to the related website and try to make a purchase of the product. Now think, the website owner may not even have a shop, he may not even own the product, still he made the profit from your purchase. That is e-commerce in real life. How e-commerce actually works. There are three main parts in e-commerce. The first part is product. Something people already want, not what you like. What people actually need for their daily lifestyle. For example, phone case, running shoes, clothes. The second part is traffic. People visiting your website or the online store, where do they come from? We need to analyze whether customers are visiting website through Instagram Reels, YouTube videos or ads. No traffic is equal to no sales. Also, we can create traffic through paid ads, social media platforms and many. The third part is conversion, turning visitors into buyers. This depends on how clean and minimal your website looks, product images, pricing and trust. If people don't trust, they won't buy your product. All three must work together. If one fails, the whole system stops. For example, let's say you start a store selling watches. You post reels on Instagram, one video goes viral, 10,000 people visit your website. Even if 1% people buys, that's 100 orders. That's how small efforts turn into money on online. Here are the types of e-commerce. There are different ways people do e-commerce. The first thing is dropshipping. You sell products on your website with own pricing. You don't keep the stock. Supplier ships product to the customer. The second thing is own brand. Here you need to manufacture and create your own product, like your own clothing brand. The third thing is reselling. Buy product at any place, either online or offline at low price and then sell same product at higher price. All methods work, but most beginners quickly jump from one to another. First, understand how selling happens. E-commerce is simple to understand, but not easy to master. Many people fail because of choosing a wrong product, no marketing skills, poor website design, and complicated user interface. But the people who stay consistent, learn from mistakes, they grow. What I understood is e-commerce is not about products. It's about people, what they like, what they trust. If you understand this, you can sell anything. So if you are starting your journey, don't rush to earn money immediately. First, understand the system. Because once you understand this, you are not just learning e-commerce. You are learning how online business works. And from here, you will learn more about e-commerce from next videos and we start connecting. Make sure to join this channel for more related content.